I just woke up like an hour ago and I have to go to school and like people think I'm crying. I'm not actually crying. Like my nose, my nose. Sorry guys, I'm gonna flip my camera. I know. I had to charge my phone because I was like doing videos and I just know that my phone is on 5%. Then, like, you ever feel this feeling? You feel this feeling when if you felt this when you sick, when you cough and so you kind of like sneeze and your eyes started like tearing, like not tearing, like if you don't have allergies like me, I don't know what is wrong with my life. I think someone's in my body like making me get allergies, and my mom just prayed to God so I can feel better tomorrow, go to school, but I can't feel better. So if you want to subscribe, please subscribe down here, and I will see you tomorrow. So I can't reach close. I can't feel like touch nothing. I'm drinking so many lemon juices that be helping me. So bye guys. Have a nasty day. Sir.